Driven by a desire to match our customers' ambitions, we've developed our most robust, high-performance cobot yet. Introducing the UR20, the next-generation heavy payload, long-reach cobot, delivering greater speeds, enabling faster cycle times than ever before, featuring our most advanced motion control and the longest arm reach in our range. Perform even more industrial tasks than you ever thought possible with a cobot. The UR20 has been reimagined from the ground up, giving you enhanced performance benefits with all the versatility of a smaller cobot, featuring a lightweight design, configurable to almost any task, all within a small footprint. An entirely re-engineered joint architecture maximizes production uptime. Software enhancements mean your production can run at full speed for longer, even at maximum payload and arm reach. Reduced joint complexity improves performance with less parts to cut down service requests and downtime. This is the future of industrial automation. This is the cobot, redefined. From Universal Robots.